Question 3. Calculate the energy in calories required to produce from neutral helium atoms 1 mole of A. Helium plus ions, B. Helium 2 plus ions using Bohr's equations. Now the first part of the question, that is producing helium ions from helium atoms, that is helium atoms changing into helium plus ions. Now in this helium atom, the atomic number of helium atom is 2. Z is equal to 2 and it contains 2 electrons. So for this first step, it is not possible to calculate the energy using Bohr's equation because Bohr's equation is applicable only to one electron species. So ये first वाले step के लिए energy calculate नहीं होगी Bohr's equation से because Bohr's equation सिर्फ one electron species पे applicable है. और ये जो second part of the question है, that is helium ion changing into helium 2 plus ion. यहाँ पे helium ion one electron species है because it has already lost one electron to change into helium plus ion. तो इसमें सिर्फ एक ही electron present है and when it changes to helium 2 plus ion, it loses that one electron and it changes to helium 2 plus ion. So for this step, it is possible to calculate the energy using Bohr's equation. Now, energy in any orbit का formula है E is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square divided by N square. एनर्जी की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है बिकॉज ये नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट करता है कि एनर्जी ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन इंक्रीजेस विद इंक्रीज इन n और the outer orbit has greater energy than the inner orbit. Now for helium, Z is equal to 2, so Z square will be equal to 2 square. First orbit, so value of n will be 1 and n square will be equal to 1 square. So E is equal to minus 13.6 into Z square, that is 4. Ab minus 13.6 into 4 will give the energy in electron volts. And then multiplying this by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 will give the energy in joules because 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 13.6 into 4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules is the energy of electron in one helium ion. But in the question they have asked for the energy of electrons in 1 mole of helium ions. So we will multiply this with 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 and this will give the energy of electrons in 1 mole of helium ions. Now dividing this by 4.2 will give the energy in calories because 4.2 joules is equal to 1 calorie. So the energy in calories per mole is equal to minus 1.248 into 10 to the power 6 calories per mole. This is the energy of the electron present in the first orbit of helium ion. Now the ionization energy value will be equal to plus 1.248 into 10 to the power 6 calories per mole because to remove the electron from the first shell 1.248 into 10 to the power 6 calories of energy has to be supplied. और आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला होता है E इंफिनिटी. अगर हम फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट से इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव कर रहे हैं तो E इंफिनिटी माइनस E1 बिकॉज आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द आउटरमोस्ट ऑर्बिट और हीलियम के केस में वो फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट है. सो E इंफिनिटी माइनस E1, इंफिनिटी पे एनर्जी हो जाएगी 0 माइनस 1.248 into 10 to the power 6. So solving this, ionization energy will be equal to 1.248 into 10 to the power 6 calories per mole. अब ये जो एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला है, एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन nth ऑर्बिट, इसका जो फॉर्मूला है, एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन nth ऑर्बिट का जो फॉर्मूला है वो है E is equal to, this will be minus 2 pi square z square e to the power 4m divided by n square h square. अब इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, this is equal to minus z square by n square into 2 pi square e to the power 4 m divided by h square. अब ये जो पार्ट है फॉर्मूला का, that is 2 pi square e to the power 4 m divided by h square. E stands for charge on electron, m is the mass of electron, h is the Planck's constant. Putting the values, इसमें सारे terms constant हैं. So putting the values and solving, इसकी value आ जाएगी 13.6 electron volts. So general formula energy का हो जाएगा minus 13.6 into z square divided by n square. और इसमें depending upon the value of z and n, the value of energy can be calculated.